AI analyses your channel and fixes algorithm mistakes. YouTube God. Imagine a digital oracle, a silent partner that lives and breathes the esoteric language of the YouTube algorithm. It doesn't just guess what works, it knows. It dissects millions of data points, deciphers viewer psychology from microseconds of watch time, and reverse engineers virality. This is not a distant sci-fi fantasy. This is the present reality for a new wave of creators who are leveraging artificial intelligence not merely as a tool, but as a co-pilot in their quest for digital dominion. The era of the YouTube God, powered by AI, is here, and it is fundamentally reshaping the art and science of channel growth. The journey begins not with creation, but with revelation. For years, creators have been flying blind, armed with little more than public analytics and gut feelings. Why did one video soar while an almost identical one flatlined? The human brain simply cannot process the multidimensional chess game of the algorithm. AI can. Phase 1. The Deep Diagnostic, from data to strategy. The first step is a deep, AI-powered audit of your channel. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ have long offered basic analytics, but their new AI features are game changers. They don't just show you that your attention dropped at the 2-minute mark. Their AI will analyze the transcript and visual data to tell you why. It might pinpoint the exact moment you went on a tangential rant, displayed a confusing graphic, or simply failed to deliver on the promise of your thumbnail. But the real power lies in competitor and niche analysis. Advanced platforms like Glimpse, formerly Graphio, use AI to crawl the entire YouTube universe. You can input a competitor's channel, and the AI will generate a comprehensive content DNA report. It breaks down their most successful videos not just by keywords, but by topic clusters, emotional sentiment in the comments, title structure, and even the color palette of their top-performing thumbnails. This is the move from imitation to strategic emulation. You're no longer copying what they did. You're understanding the underlying formula of their success and applying it to your unique voice. This diagnostic phase is where AI fixes the first and most critical algorithm mistake: inconsistency. The algorithm rewards channels it can understand. By using AI to map your content against a proven winning blueprint, you align your channel's signal with what the algorithm is primed to promote. Phase 2. The genesis of God-tier content. Once the strategy is set, AI becomes the ultimate creative collaborator in the content creation pipeline. Ideation and scripting. Hitting a creative wall is a relic of the past. Using large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, or its more advanced counterparts like Claude, you can generate hundreds of video ideas tailored to your niche and the viral trends identified in Phase 1. But it goes deeper. Feed your script into a tool like Notion AI or Jasper and prompt it. Improve the flow for viewer retention. Add 3 surprising hooks in the first 30 seconds, or rephrase this complex topic for a 12-year-old. The AI acts as a world-class editor, ensuring your script is structurally sound and algorithmically optimized before you even hit record. Production and post-production. This is where AI transforms laborious tasks into seamless executions. Tools like Descript are nothing short of revolutionary. Edit your video by editing the text transcript. Remove awkward ums and pauses with a single click. Use its overdub feature to synthetically generate your voice to fix a mispronounced word without re-recording. For visuals, AI video tools like Runway ML can generate B-roll, remove backgrounds, or even animate storyboards based on text prompts, dramatically elevating production value without a Hollywood budget. Thumbnails and titles. This is the battleground where clicks are won or lost. AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 can create dozens of hyper-specific, visually stunning thumbnail concepts in minutes. You can prompt them: a shock tech YouTuber looking at a glowing smartphone, cyberpunk style, high contrast cinematic lighting. The AI will provide compositions a human might not conceive. For titles, tools like ChatGPT can generate 50 options in your desired style: curious, shocking, or benefit-driven, and then cross-reference them with SEO databases to predict click-through rates. This systematically fixes the second major algorithm mistake: poor packaging. No matter how good your video is, if the thumbnail and title fail, the algorithm will never give a chance. Phase 3. The optimization engine and the feedback loop. The video is live. The work is not over. AI now shifts to the role of a live-time optimization engine. Advanced analytics platforms can now perform A/B testing on steroids. You can upload multiple thumbnails and titles, and the AI will rotate them for a small percentage of your audience, using predictive modeling to identify the winning combination within hours, not weeks. This is a direct fix for the third critical mistake, static strategy. Furthermore, AI sentiment analysis tools can scan thousands of comments in real time. Instead of just seeing a comment count, you get a dashboard that shows the prevailing emotions: joy, surprise, anger, confusion. If the AI detects a spike in confusion comments at a specific timestamp, you can quickly pin a clarifying comment or even create a short YouTube short addressing the issue, thereby increasing overall satisfaction and watch time. The ultimate goal is to create a closed feedback loop. The performance data from your latest video, gathered by AI, feeds back into the strategic planning for the next one, guided by AI. With each iteration, the AI's understanding of your audience and the algorithm deepens, creating a perpetual motion machine of growth. Conclusion: the human soul in the machine. To become a YouTube god is not to cede creativity to the machine. It is to unshackle your creativity from the burdens of guesswork and administrative tedium. The AI is the strategist, the data scientist, the production assistant, and the market researcher. It handles the how with divine efficiency. But you, the creator, remain the sovereign. You provide the soul, the passion, the unique perspective, and the authentic connection that no algorithm can truly generate. The future belongs not to the creators who fear AI, but to those who embrace it as the most powerful instrument in their arsenal. By letting AI fix the algorithm's mistakes, you are free to do what you do best: create content that truly matters. The throne is waiting. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.